Hello everyone, welcome to Zillionaires Club. My name is Thomas, and in today's video I want to show you indicators which I'm using for my trading, for both day trading and for swing trading of commodities, which is my specialty. I will show you my screen and lead you through those indicators which helps me to make a decision where the trend is going and where is the best place to place the trade and the exit. So before I mention all those indicators which I'm using, few words generally about indicators usage. Some traders don't use them at all. They trade with the empty chart based on the price action only. I think this is mainly about Forex traders. They typically use just price action in their chart. Their chart is very clean, very simple, and they do drawing to this chart. I'm not the one, so I'm using some indicators, but typically no more than 2 or 3 indicators. So I want to know how strong is the trend. I want to know where is the most probable turnaround of the trend. Don't make your trade decision solely based on the indicators only, because they are typically derived from the price. It means they are lacking in time after the price. So in fact, price is determining indicators, not vice versa. Indicators don't determine the price. This is very important to know, because many traders think that the indicators indicate where the price will go. It's not the case. Indicators showing some combined characteristics of the price, but the price is primary and the indicators are secondary, derived from the price. I typically use only a few of them. It's better for visibility. The chart looks more cleaner, and you don't get confused when there is too many of them. So first indicator I want to show you is RSI. This is indicator which probably majority of the traders using, so no big rocket science. It's a relative strength index. It's a momentum oscillator, and it measures the speed of change of price movements. The RSI oscillates between 0 and 100, so basically between 30 and 70. This is normal trading area. If the indicator showing below 30 or above 70, it means that the price is already, or the momentum of the price is already smaller, and we can expect that the price will be slowing down or potentially can turn around. For those who are interested, here you can see as well how the RSI is calculated. Here is the formula on the bottom of the slide. On this slide, I want to show you how the RSI works in theory. So you can see here the blue areas. These are the areas where the oscillator RSI come below 30, and you can see in all these 3 times it indicates that the price very soon turn around from down to up. Of course, sometimes this blue area can be very long. Sometimes it can go below 30 many times before the price actually change the direction, but already the fact that it's below 30 indicating that we are not far from the turnaround point. Next indicator, again, I think majority of the traders knows and using, is MACD. It's a moving average convergence divergence indicator, and it's again momentum oscillator which identify the trends. I'm usually using it with combination with RSI, so they are showing very similar information, and the only difference which I'm using is MACD comparing to probably majority of you guys is that I'm using the bars mainly instead of the lines. You can see the indicator consists of 2 pieces. One is those colorful bars, red and green, and one is the lines which basically creating these bars. Because I'm not interested on the point where these lines cross, which means when the green turns to red or red turns to green, but I'm interested in bottoms and tops of these bars. That's why I changed the color of these lines to black, so I pretty much don't orient to these lines at all, because once the red becomes green, I'm usually already in the trade. I'm usually jumping to the trade somewhere slightly behind the top of the green area. In case of short, it means once the greens start decreasing, for example in this area, I'm already entering the trade. So once it turns red, I'm adding to my positions, or I'm already inside of the positions and waiting for end of the trend. That's why I'm using this indicator a little bit differently than maybe majority of you. Next indicator is again indicators exponential and simple moving average. Moving averages indicators are very simple. They are basically smoothing the price chart. And for my usage, I'm using two of them, SMA 180 bars and EMA exponential moving average, which calculates 14 last bars. The SMA I'm using for a higher level trend indication. EMA I'm using for latest changes of the trend. That's why I'm using the EMA, which react much faster to the price changes in the last 14 bars. VWAP is volume weighted average price indicator. It takes in consideration, beside the price as well, volume, which was traded on each price level. And this indicator consists from 3 lines in the price chart. The middle one is the average of the price, and then there is one line above, one line below the average price, and they are using 2 standard deviation for calculation from the average price. If the price oscillates above the middle line to the higher line, I consider this as an increasing trend. If it's below, it's decreasing trend. In this picture, you can see it nicely. So basically the purple one, this is the middle VWAP. In this case, you see the price is oscillating below the purple and yellow line, which is the bottom part of the VWAP. So this movements between them I consider as a downtrend. Once the price cross the purple line and start oscillating between pink and purple line, this becomes an uptrend, so I will be more tend to buy long. And the last indicator I want to show you, which I'm using, is the stochastic RSI. This is an indicator which is very important for me for both day trading and swing trading. So stochastics, it belongs to the family of many oscillators like RSI or RSI stochastic, slow stochastic, fast stochastic. They have different conditions and parameters. I'm using the stochastic RSI with 3, 3, 14, 14 setup. This oscillator oscillates between 0 and 100. For me, important are points 20 and 80, which means these are points where we are coming to the end of the trend. And I'm using them for on different time frames, charts for weekly, daily, even 5 minutes chart or 1 minute chart when I'm doing day trading. So it's very useful indicator. In this example, you can see how the stochastic RSI works. So again, basically, wherever the stochastic is about 80 or below 20, this is the areas where we can expect very soon the price start to flatten, consolidation, and start to going to the other direction. It works pretty well for stochastic RSI. You might ask why I'm using stochastic RSI and as well RSI. Typically, when you put both these indicators in one chart, you will see that the RSI is more indicating longer trends to be finished if the RSI go above 80 or below 20, while the stochastic RSI more tend to predict the shorter trends changes. Another very interesting characteristics of stochastic RSI is that it can indicate the price movements or trend finish and price movements to the other direction by divergence with the price action. You can see it here. There are 3 areas where this happened, and it's a British pound future you can see that, for example, here the price still make a lower low here. It means this low is lower than that one, but the stochastic RSI low is already upper. It means it indicating the divergence. It indicates that the price will most likely go the other direction, and it really happened. Another time is here, and as well here you can see the price still creating higher high, but the stochastic already create very low high. It means that the price here in this moment is very likely to change the direction and go down. The same happened here, where the high was still higher than this one, but the stochastic RSI already indicating the price moving to the other direction. My trading for both day trading and swing trading, you can find them in every platform on the market, so very easy if you want to follow them and use them as well. And if you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel so you will not miss videos like this. I'm currently uploading twice a week. Every Thursday it's a video with education for traders like this one, and every Monday I will give you my hot tip for which commodity you should be buying or selling right in that moment. And you can check it because I already uploaded a few videos before, since middle of November, how many of my Monday's hot tips were successful or not, and you can take some reference for your own trading. Obviously, please, everybody watch your own risk and decide based on your own analysis. What I'm giving you is just the educational tips which you can use for your future analysis. So I hope you like this video. So again, please smash the like button and see you soon.